Alright, this is my 2 mixtures of potassium nitrate, KNO3, and sugar. This one has baking powder and this one has oil. And the reason it's so blurry is because when I bring it up closer, it's going to get clear. So I pre-zoomed it. Alright, so this is the mixture of, this is the 60-40 ratio. And I mixed it up and I added a little baking powder to slow the reaction rate, the rate at which it's burned. And this is basically the mixture. This is just sugar, potassium nitrate, just the powdery white stuff, and a clump of sugar. And tomorrow, hopefully I'll be able to burn all of this and put it over low heat and just keep mixing it, and then the sugar will begin to caramelize and turn into like a dough, basically like a sticky dough. And I will mold it into either this, an empty flashlight casing, or this, a tube for like toilet paper, or potassium nitrate smoke grenade. But I'm just gonna use it as like basically like a smoke signal. You could add like coloring to it to make it like different colors smoke, but this is just like a basic. It should be like a grayish whitish smoke. Cover that back up. Give you one last look. It's all clumpy and everything, but when I heat it up, it'll melt and it'll mix in. So put that up and bring in the next mixture, which is 70-30. This I'm going to be using as rocket fuel. Kind of see, it's basically the same thing. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing with oil, so it's kind of clumpy. Rocket fuel and smoke. This is basically a faster burning version of this, and that's a slower burning version of that. And this produces a lot of smoke. So when it burns slow, it'll produce even more smoke and make it a smoke grenade. This one is a rocket fuel. It's gonna just burn just like that. And if you put it into like a combustion chamber with like a little opening, it'll shoot out through that opening and just force it to take off. I will do that tomorrow and see how it goes. And here we have my first batch sample. I got some little crumbs. I'm gonna light. They don't want to start and stay. There we go. It starts, but it won't stay. I think it's too wet. It should have dried more. I'm gonna light this whole thing on fire. There we go. It's actually putting out quite a lot of smoke. I think what I need to do is let this dry some more. Oh, look at that. Didn't even burn all the way. Yeah, this needs to dry some. Needs to dry. Yeah, the edges, all the edges are dried, so they're starting to light. With the middle part, it's still mushy. So, what I'm gonna do is let this dry, and then we'll come back.
Cóbale la cabeza para que le nazcan los dólares. Una 100. Creo que está lloviendo. ¿Y luego qué puedo hacer? Para verlo. Ahorita estoy. No creo, ¿verdad? También vas a flotar, ¿qué? Dice que le ponga ahí los guantes, ¿no? Hey, uno va a estar loco, man. Camera, he said. He said record him.
There's a lot of smoke.
Damn, he's crazy, crazy. He said record him.
Why?
Me quedé, soy gringo. No, yo no quiero decir nada.